Today's lesson is lesson 119, subtracting three-digit numbers and money amounts and estimating differences. So here I have the numbers 682 pennies and 263 pennies. If I take 263 pennies away from 682 pennies, how many do you think I'll have left? So when we're estimating, we want to think, 682 is really close to 700, and 263 is really close to 300. So if I subtracted those amounts, I should have about 400 pennies left, and this is my estimate. Okay, so here's that problem written down as a subtraction problem. Now remember, we subtract the digits in the ones column first. Can I take 3 away from 2? No, I can't. So I need to regroup and trade 1 10 for 10 ones. So this 8 becomes a 7, and the 2 becomes a 12. Okay, so 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay. So next we subtract the tens digits. That's the second column. So I have 7 minus 6, that equals 1. And then I subtract the hundreds digits. 6 minus 2 is 4. So my total answer is 419. And that's actually pretty close to my estimate. Now, if I wanted to write 682 pennies in dollar form, it would look like $6.82. Because remember, 100 pennies equals $1. So 600 pennies would equal $6. Okay, so when I subtract money this way, I should get the same answer as before, 419, but with a decimal. Okay, so remember, decimal place always goes straight down. We put it right there. Now I can subtract. I subtract, in this case, we subtract the first column here. Can't take 3 from 2, so we borrow, regroup 1 10 to make 10 ones. 12 minus 3 is 9. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So I left with $4.19, which is the same as 419 pennies. Okay, so this time I have a bag of 781 pennies, and I will give 149 pennies away. So remember, first we subtract the digits in the ones column. I cannot take 9 away from 1, so I have to go to the tens and borrow a 10 and turn it into 10 ones. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now we do the tens column. 7 minus 4 is 3. And then finally the hundreds column. 7 minus 1 is 6. So I have 632 pennies. Now if I wanted to write that using a dollar sign, it would be, so remember, 600 pennies equals $6. So it would look like this, $6.32. Okay, last one. So remember, we subtract the ones columns first. Okay. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now the tens column. I cannot take 7 away from 2. So I'm going to have to borrow from the hundreds. Take one of the hundreds and turn it into tens. 12 minus 7 is 5. And then the hundreds column, so 7 minus 5 is 2. So my answer is 254 pennies. If I wanted to write that in money form, or dollar form, I'd put $1, and it'd be $2, decimal, 54 cents. So $2.54. Okay, that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.